In this video, you'll learn how to add a payment method in eBay. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to successfully link your preferred payment options to your eBay account, ensuring a smooth transaction process for both buying and selling. Begin by logging in to your eBay account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the top left corner of the homepage, where you will find your username. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Account Settings. This action will redirect you to the Account Settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your account. Next, look for the Payments or Payment Methods section on the Account Settings page. Click on this option to access the payment management area. Here, you will see an option labeled Add a Payment Method. Select this to proceed with adding your payment information. You will then be prompted to choose the type of payment method you wish to add, which may include options like PayPal, credit or debit card, or bank account. After selecting your preferred payment type, carefully enter the required payment details. This includes your account number, expiration date, and security code if applicable. It is critical to ensure that the billing address you provide matches the records of your payment provider. eBay may require you to verify the added payment method, so follow any on-screen instructions to complete this verification process. Taking these steps helps avoid delays in processing your future orders. Once you've entered all necessary information and completed the verification, make sure to save your payment method. If you wish to set this payment method as your default option, there should be a checkbox or option available for you to do so. It's advisable to periodically monitor your account to confirm that the payment method has been successfully added and is functioning correctly. If there are any changes to your payment methods, such as obtaining a new card or updating bank details, make sure to update this information promptly. Regular checking your payment options can prevent any interruptions in payments or declined transactions. Proper management of your payment methods is essential for a seamless buying and selling experience on eBay. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.